For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
BCCI on Friday has called off India's tour of Zimbabwe owing to the COVID-19 threat, which hasn't allowed national cricketers to even resume training. The development comes a day after Sri Lankan cricket announced that India's limited overs tour in June to July was postponed indefinitely. Team India was originally scheduled to travel to the island nation from 24 June 2020 for 3 ODIs and as many T20 internationals from 22nd August. The chances of T20 World Cup in Australia has drastically improved, with Cricket Australia set to welcome limited crowds at stadiums during the ICC event. Australian Prime Minister Scott Morrison on Friday hinted at the return of up to 10,000 spectators at sporting venues from July as the country races against time to be ready for the T20 World Cup in October to November. Former Pakistan spinner Saqlain Mushtaq has said that he had always advised the England spin duo of Moeen Ali and Adil Rashid to treat Indian captain Virat Kohli as the entire team, as the prolific batsman alone is a complete 11. Saqlain was associated with England as spin consultant till the 2019 World Cup. Both Moeen and Rashid have dismissed Virat Kohli 6 times each. Pakistan chief selector and coach Misbah-ul Haq has said that veteran fast bowler Wahab Riaz has conveyed his willingness to play Test cricket for Pakistan if needed. Riaz had taken an indefinite break from red ball cricket, but the break now seems to be over as Wahab has been named in the Pakistan's 29-man squad for the England tour. Team India's wicketkeeper batsman Sanju Samson has said that there is a lot to learn from legend MS Dhoni and he would like to inculcate Dhoni's calmness in tough situations. Samson has been in and out of the Indian team in the recent times. The Kerala lad added that legendary Australian stumper batsman Adam Gilchrist and Dhoni changed the definition of a modern-day wicketkeeper. Former Indian captain Dilip Vengsarkar has revealed that he first got a taste of Tendulkar's talent when the Indian team was practicing in Mumbai ahead of Test match against New Zealand in 1988, which was to be Vengsarkar's 100th Test match. Sachin played for India between 1989 and 2013 and scored 100 international hundreds. Barcelona coach QEQ Setien has revealed that star footballer Lionel Messi is fit and ready to play for the club against Real Mallorca. Messi missed 3 sessions last week with some discomfort in his thigh but has been back in full training since Monday. La Liga restarted on Thursday and will finish on July 19, with each team playing their remaining 11 matches over just 39 days. Bundesliga club Bayern Munich on Friday revealed that Dr. Hans William Müller Wohlfahrt has decided to bring an end to the decades-long link with the club. Müller, an orthopedic and sports medicine specialist, has been Bayern's club medic for more than 40 years, with a short interruption after a fallout with then-coach Pep Guardiola. The 77-year-old is hailed as a medical genius by his legion of high-profile fans in elite sport. Former US Open semi-finalist Richard Gasquet on Friday said that he was struggling to see how this year's tournament in New York could be played given the restrictions imposed due to the coronavirus pandemic. The tennis season has been on hold since mid-March, with Roland Garros postponed and Wimbledon cancelled.